storms really started about December 26th all the way through January, and there was very little break between storms.
We saw a lot of slides, a lot of flooding, trees down, which also brings down power lines every now and then. But yeah, we got a whole mixture of things once we get storms like this.
One of the most severe cases that I saw was one of our slip outs, one of the main pass-throughs from San Jose to get to Santa Cruz itself. There's only about 5 roads that go up to get you from this side to the other side of the hill. 3 are county maintained and 2 are maintained by Caltrans. So for a while they had 2 of them closed, 17 and Highway 9. So our 3 roads were the only access up and over the mountains, and one of them we did have a pretty major slip out. So with that much traffic trying to pass through that, we had to make sure that the road's safe and set up road closures, put 1 lane closed ahead, set up K-rails.
Crews put in a lot of hours of overtime working through the nights. It's hard, fatigued, stressed work. When you're in rain gear in the middle of the weather, it's windy, rainy, cold. You got to be running a chainsaw and running equipment to clear road slides, hillsides coming down, boulders in the road, trees down across the road. They spent a lot of long hours through the night all the way until the next morning to do the best we can to keep the roads open.
The guys we have here, they're great. They know, we're not taking any chances as far as public safety. We stay there and we finish one until it's 100% safe to open to the public, and then we'll go ahead, and once that one's been complete, then we just go ahead to the next one.
We all take pride in what we do, and when we all come together as a group and we get something big done, it feels good. And every now and then we get a resident coming down as they're driving by, thank you, like, yeah, no problem, because they're not sliding around anymore, and the roads opened up a little bit more for them.
We watched it, we monitored the weather in advance. We definitely stockpiled on equipment, materials. We were well prepared.